All right, so now with the spatula, I'm going to gently move my olive oil around in the pot. So I actually got to about 169 degrees, and my lye and water solution cooled down to 161. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. And here we go. Now, this is where things happen pretty quickly. So you want to keep an eye on what you're doing at all times. Don't leave the room, don't go to the bathroom, stay here. Okay, so with my spatula, I'm going to mix this around. Had I used oil that was hard at room temperature, like coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, etc., this would be a different texture. But because I use a completely liquid oil, as you see here, my batter is very, very liquidy. And it's getting thicker as I mix it, and the color is changing as well. It smells really good. Smells like olive oil.